Hello and welcome again. Today, let's talk about error messages and error pages. Let's get started. Log into your DirectAdmin account. Once in, scroll down to Advanced Features and click on Custom Error Pages. Here you get to see the pages that have been pre-created for you, and in this regard, I would like to take you through what each entails. Error 400 simply means that it's a bad request. Whenever clients make bad requests or give malformed syntax, such as invalid URLs, they will get error 400. When they access pages that require authentication and they are not authorized to, they will land on error 401. 403 simply means the resources that the viewer is clicking on, they are not allowed to view. When they click or seek information that is not available on the server, they will get 404. 500 is an internal server error, a generic error whenever the server encounters something unexpected, especially due to misconfigured .htaccess or PHP errors. 502 means a bad gateway. 503, it means the server is unavailable. 504 means the server acting as a gateway did not get a timely response. Basically, error 500 series refers to server issues, while error 400 series refer to permissions, page, or content fetching issues. That's it for error pages. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.